Can an earthquake be predicted? The short answer is no, not accurately anyway. But there are some signs that can give you a heads up that one might be coming. You see, most earthquakes happen along fault lines, which are areas where the tectonic plates meet. And these plates are constantly moving, but they get stuck on each other. And when they do, the pressure builds up until, bam, earthquake. So scientists can measure the frequency and the strength of these earthquakes by using a seismometer. And they've noticed that in the days leading up to a big earthquake, the small ones get stronger and more frequent. They also know that before a major earthquake hits, there's usually a swarm of smaller earthquakes that happen very close to the fault line. So while we can't predict earthquakes, we can use these tools to give us an idea of what might happen and where it might happen.